Hey, I'm Mechanical Engineer, and this is my homemade pool. I currently live in Arizona, which if you don't know, gets crazy hot during the summertime. Well into the hundreds. And so since I don't want to die this summer, I've decided to make my own in-ground pool. But there's two little problems. First of all, we rent this house, so the pool is going to have to be temporary. And second of all, I don't have that much money to spend on it. That's okay though, I think we can still make something work. Let me show you what I'm planning. Right now, our backyard consists of nothing but sand and a whole bunch of rock. So what I think I'm going to do is dig a rather large hole that is about 12 by 8 feet, maybe 4.5 feet deep or so, have stairs on one side stepping down to the deep end. Then drop in some kind of waterproof liner. I think this will be one of the best solutions because it's inexpensive and simple. However, digging a large hole into the hard ground will not be an easy task. But a little hard work's never killed anyone. Well, actually, it probably has, but that's beside the point. I'm going to grab my pickaxe and let's get started. Yes, I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt with a hood, but that's not because it's cold outside. That's because the sun is scorching and I don't want my skin to get burned off my body. That was immensely tiring. In case you were wondering, it took about a week of solid work. But with the hole now dug, I'm going to take all the dirt we pulled out of it and build a ring around the top of the pool. This will not only help make the pool deeper, but also keep the water in and other stuff out. So let's get to it. Wonderful, now we're finally ready for the liner. For a liner, I'm just going to use a 20 by 30 tarp I picked up from Uline. I bought the whole thing and got it delivered to my front door for 40 bucks. Link in the description. So now we're going to place the whole tarp into the pool, making sure to wrap the edges around the ring. Then tie the sides into the ground so the tarp stays in place and doesn't go anywhere. And now for the exciting part, fill it with water. Now all that's left to do is to throw in some dollar store floaticles. This is both amusing and disappointing. And with that, the pool is complete. So without any further ado, let's go swimming. As you just saw, it is a relatively small pool, but at 4.5 feet deep, you can still comfortably fit a few people in it. And the best part is everything in this video, including the floaties, costs no more than 50 bucks. Granted, I do have plans to buy a $30 Easy Set filter, but even so, that keeps the total well under 100 bucks. So basically, as long as you're willing to put in the effort to dig the actual hole, and it would be a lot easier if you live somewhere less rocky, you can make something really awesome for next to nothing. And so there you have it, how to build your own DIY pool for 40 bucks. But hey, thank you so much for you guys watching. I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, please feel free to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And Lord, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching, and please feel free to subscribe.